Woo! Yo, before we get into it, check these two clips I found. Just check them out. Check them out.
Right.
I think the advent of Bitcoin ETFs is an example that we're legitimizing it. We're creating more safety.
Well, let me ask you this. Will you do another ETF? How about an XRP ETF? I know you got Ether out there. How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't.
How about XRP? Can you answer that? I can't.
And you don't want me to.
I do.
Well, I can't.
When you think about all the people who send money, they may work in one country, send money back home. They generally do that through organizations that charge 5 to 10%. Yeah. There is a need, whether it's a Libra or something else, to democratize the exchange of foreign currencies.
All right, now that you saw those two clips, we're going to go over them. We're going to explain, first of all, BlackRock's stock rise and what that could mean about XRP. Plus, we're going to get into how XRP is on the rise of becoming an ETF. I'm pretty sure all of you guys know that already. But we're also going to explain how BlackRock, yes, how Larry Fink's company, BlackRock, could potentially back this move. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're going to start getting into the actual everything about BlackRock and what's happened so far in recent time. Okay, so it says BlackRock's financial milestones. So recently, BlackRock's had a record-breaking stock performance, and we're gonna get into why that matters for XRP, potentially for the future. So BlackRock's stock price soared to an unprecedented high of $1,082.63. reflecting strong investor confidence and the firm's robust financial health. So common sense says, if your stock continues to improve over time and it continues to grow, what does that mean? It means that you're having steady growth and the company is seeing a strong outcome for the future, which attracts large investors because they can count on the company to continue doing well, right? So that's a big plus for BlackRock, because now they captured more investors' eyes and institutions to see, is my money going to be good with BlackRock, especially when we have Larry Fink potentially backing the XRP ETF movement? I mean, that it could be a great sign for them to move their funds over and be an investor with BlackRock because of that. But we'll get into that even more. So, impressive annual growth. Over the past year, the company's stock has appreciated by 41.7%, underscoring its effective strategies and market position. That's a big gain, 41% over the past year. That is really good. I mean, show me something better. I really don't know if there's something out there better, but I could be wrong. But that is a substantial growth. 41% in 1 year is great. Is a really good is a really good percentage for your company's overall growth. So that's good. Consistent dividend payouts, demonstrating commitment to shareholders. BlackRock has maintained dividend distributions for 23 consecutive years, currently offering a 1.9%. Now, yes, you're trying to figure out how does this fit into XRP's plan. We'll get into it. We're just breaking down the financial milestones that they've had so far, and it seems like they continue to improve as a company for how long? For how long were they in this for? For a while, for a very long time. They've been 23 years, consecutive years. That's a long time. So we have to give props where props are due, right? So it's a great job. And 23 years also says that we as a company have maintained consistent growth and consistent payouts for our investors, which is a big eye opener for big institutions. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so what are the implications for XRP? We'll go over that. Institutional endorsement. BlackRock's positive stance on cryptocurrencies may encourage other institutional investors to explore digital assets, potentially increasing demand for XRP. Now, when a leader in the financial industry, such as BlackRock, which holds billions of dollars, maybe even trillion of just investor money, and is continuously, as we saw, a 41% increase in 1 year. If they are backing XRP, it's kind of like realistic and common sense to be like, I think other investors with that type of money and institutions could follow suit, because why would you lead astray from a company that's making 41% a year? It just made that. So obviously they know what they're doing, right? So that's a great sign so far. Okay. Market validation. Fink's projections led credibility to the crypto market, which could lead to broader acceptance and integration of assets like XRP into traditional financial systems, which means that it can be, in simple terms, it can hopefully replace Swift. Okay. We all know from my other videos, from my other video that I posted, that Swift is more expensive than what XRP has to offer. And it's just a lot cheaper. It costs pennies, on the dollar to actually make transactions, and it's quick. It's super fast. It will be a shame if we continue with Swift in the future and not have a cross-border payment system as XRP. It'll just be crazy. And ETF prospects. The possibility of an XRP ETF, especially if backed by a major entity like BlackRock, could provide investors with more accessible avenues to invest in XRP, thereby boosting its market presence. Now, that is something we all want to see. Obviously, we want to get in again at a cheaper price. $3 isn't bad, but it's still kind of hitting all-time highs right now, right? So we kind of don't want to buy. This isn't financial advice, so don't do anything I say. But I'm not buying personally right now. I want to wait for a cheaper price for it to come down. But it's definitely showing promise for the future, and it's attracting a lot of eyeballs to keep on the lookout of where they can buy and when they should buy XRP, especially when BlackRock's promoting it. Now, here we go with the Larry Fink optimism towards cryptocurrencies, okay? So its anticipated market surge at the World Economic Forum in Davos. Larry Fink projected a potential 600 increase in the cryptocurrency market, suggesting that Bitcoin could reach 700,000. 700,000. Do you know who knew? I mean, that's a crazy number. Right now it's at 100,000, right? Like up and down that area. 700,000. So if Bitcoin rises to 700,000, where do you think XRP could be? Just where? And from the video that you saw in the beginning, he is saying something about the payment systems, a cross-border payment system. XRP is a cross-border payment system. And XRP can see a rally if it runs up, if Bitcoin runs up to 700,000, because we know other big cryptos with a big market cap follow and lead with Bitcoin. It might take a little while, but eventually it'll roll over because Bitcoin is the leading crypto right now, right? And the potential XRP ETF. When Larry Fink was questioned about the possibility of an XRP-focused exchange-traded fund ETF, Fink's response was notably non-committal. I can't talk about that, as you saw in the video. This has led to speculation about BlackRock's future involvement with XRP. He didn't say, oh, I don't know nothing about that, or I don't know what the heck is going on with XRP. I don't even know. I don't even care to know. He didn't say that. He said, I can't talk about it. When someone really says that, that means that they know what's going on with the ETF, but they just can't, they don't want to expose the goodies too early. They just want to keep it low key, keep it on the hush hush, and they're just trying to see what they can do with XRP as an ETF currently. So I bet you anything, they're currently working on something right now for XRP as a potential ETF. Okay. Apparently he likes the way that XRP is moving. He wants a cheaper cross-border payment system, and it looks promising. XRP looks promising, and what if BlackRock is the leading hedge fund company to promote XRP and lead the way to an ETF status? That would be amazing for all you holders of XRP. So keep up to date with it too. Obviously, I'm gonna update you guys as well on this channel at least twice a week. But you know, let me know what you guys want to see, and I can definitely make videos about it. So let's continue with our last but not least section. So in conclusion, BlackRock's recent achievements and Larry Fink's optimistic outlook on cryptocurrencies signify a potential shift in the financial landscape. For XRP, this could mean increased institutional interest, greater market validation, and new investment opportunities, all contributing to its future growth and adoption. That, in simple terms, means that if big institutions such as BlackRock and Larry Fink are willing to back their money behind XRP and make that a cross-border system and into an ETF, it's a game changer. It's literally a game changer, especially, like I said, when they're leading that industry. Other institutions will follow suit. Other big investors will follow suit. And it's just a great sign for XRP. And I still think XRP has a great future ahead of itself. And we just need to gather more updates, more information. We need to see who's actually backing it, who is actually wanting to put money into it. These big people and big institutions, banks, hedge funds, the government himself. And we need to watch what they do to see what's really going on with XRP. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for my last video that got 1,000 views. And I appreciate all you guys, especially for this day and age where we all are trying to see where we can invest our money into. And I want to make this channel as easy as possible for everybody to understand what XRP is, so we can all get involved and we can all just win together, right? So if you like this video and you find valuable content out of it, like, subscribe, and comment. And don't be afraid to comment. I mean, let me know if you guys want to see a type of video, what would be more interesting that you guys want me to cover, and I definitely will do that. But yeah, I mean, like, subscribe, comment, and that helped me out. And I have a lot of great things planned for you guys in the future, so that we can all just stay involved, and it's gonna be great. XRP and the XRP community is going to be happy in the future. I really hope it is, and I know it is. I mean, especially when we see news like this. So again, see you guys next video. Have a good night, and let's go XRP to the moon.